No, just let you can go first, Jack. Just go. You go. You go. We're already ready to go.
Don't worry about me. I'm not gonna fly with you.
You already checked your battery. You know it's good to go. Okay.
Because I could last a full 4-minute flight, or I could last 30 seconds. I don't know what's gonna happen with this thing. Wiggle and push. Wiggle and push. You'll get it.
I know.
There you go.
There you go. All the way in. There you go. Perfect. I've melted a connector by not closing it all the way.
I was about to say I gave Jack a smoking good deal on this. I was about to say, but I gave it to him with an orange RX 9-channel receiver.
Really?
I didn't know. Well, it's orange RX, so I wasn't about to keep it.
They're not bad. I don't use them, but they're not bad.
They're not bad. I just don't trust them.
I lost my sunglasses.
I'll wait for you.
I hope that just flipping that thing helped, because I'm done with the problems.
What was that?
That was that one day it was perfect, and then the first day I flew the next week it was just
Yeah.
it sounded like shit.
Well, we'll have to. Hopefully that Loctite helped. I think it did. It's hot enough out here. It should have locked.
It's weird because the last time I put Loctite on it sat for a week.
It still didn't work.
It's still hot. Well,
But we messed with it a couple times.
yeah.
It's driving by itself.
If this thing does work, I may consider getting an afterburner for it. It'll look cool.
Avanti will look cool with an afterburner.
Yes, it will, and it will have one next week.
That's just an FMS fan, so that's
Is there an FMS in that?
2000 kVA.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought it was a stock.
It's FMS.
No, you sleep.
Yeah, I put the stock fan out of that in a Futura, and it flew even better.
So this is a Futura fan?
This is a Futura fan.
Really? I didn't know that. Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah, this FMS.
That's what explaining why it's able to fly so long.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Yep, it's an FMS. No wonder.
And that's not even, that doesn't have a Piniac balance.
Right.
And it sounds good.
That sounds alright. That explains why he's able to fly so long. I'm like,
FMS does such a better job of attempting to balance it than E-Flight.
yeah, and they do balance the rotor, but then they just throw the spinner on without trying to balance that.
That doesn't sound bad.
That sounds fine.
Well, he's not really hammering it either, so. Very conservative. That's why he's flying. Yeah,
Cool. So much for not having a sock in. Yeah, I was wondering how he's able to fly it for so long. If it was stock, you'd have been down in 2.5 minutes.
That's why I like it so much.
Oh, makes perfect
You know
sense.
what's nice though? Is now when this thing, like when the fan jitters, I don't have to worry about it doing this because it doesn't got gyro.
Right.
The last one it was still flew fine. I like that. I painted the canopy yellow on it.
Looks better. I really did prefer the little FMS Avanti to this one though.
Oh yeah, yeah. The FMS one flies a lot better.
It's faster too.
That one's just, I think that one's just easier to fly.
Yeah.
The little one is a little snappy.
Right.
It doesn't fly that slow that good.
No.
The big one's good. The first PDF, I think.
Yeah, the little one's faster.
The little-
way more maneuverable. A lot of people don't get that. And it flies for like 3 minutes long.
It's so little. It's so light. This one lost a significant amount of weight when it came.
Oh yeah.
Fly away.
That's what this plane's like flying.
They want-
Like staying on the ground.
They want to fly. Whoa.
Get a rotor.
Do you feel it? Something just came through here.
There?
Ito turbo! Ito turbo!
Yeah. You know, it's funny. I'm seeing all these people on YouTube doing like speedrun tests with this, and they're like, "Oh shit!" You know,
Yeah, it'll do
you gotta
it.
balance the fit.
It'll do it. I wish somebody had a radar gun.
Keon's fly, I believe the speed.
His was doing close to 140 today. Easy.
He did a good job balancing.
Yeah. You can tell by the whistle it makes it speed.
Yeah. The only reason why they're people that unbalanced fans is able to.
Yeah, and they used a really big battery. They had that 8,000 back.
No, they had a 4,000.
Did they?
Yeah.
I thought it was an 8,000.
That's why they only did 12 runs for that plan.
Okay.
Flash is on the jack. Well, another 5 minutes yet. Power off. Power.
There you go. You're good. You're good.
Good.
Oh, it did it again. There you go. Perfect.
Perfect recovery.
That's the way to recover. And at the end of the runway, there's always sink and then lift. It's so weird. Yeah.
Do you want to do a full throttle run on this?
You want to do it? Here, hold. Let me finish with this one real quick. You need to get your nose gear straight, Pat. It's turning left.
He's also on a crosswind right now, too.